Hello guys, my name is Aftab and welcome to our YouTube channel Devops Tricks. And today's video I'm going to show you how to install and configure Ansible on your Ubuntu machine version 22.04 LTS. So as we know that Ansible is a configuration management tool which is used to provision the packages. So in our first step we need to add the PPA. So just copy this command and open your server. So I'm using Cloud Self. So let me log in with my machine. So this is a new fresh machine. So I need to just confirmation for the fingerprint and then we need to use my password. Okay. So I need to add the PPA. Just copy and execute this command on your terminal. Okay, we want enable PPA. So we need to press enter button here. Okay. So it's going to add. It's about to complete. Okay, it's complete now. Let's go for the second step. Here we need to install the dependencies. So for this we need to execute this command. Aptitude we need to install. Just copy and execute on a terminal. And it will take few seconds to complete. Okay, it's completed now. Let's talk about the step 3, which is install Ansible. So we need to update the repository first and then we are good to install Ansible package. Done. Then let's execute this command. So it's a sudo apt-get install Ansible with Y flag to give the confirmation of the installation during the installation. So it's about to complete. Okay, so we can see that installation of the Ansible is completed. Now let's verify the version. So we need to execute Ansible hyphen hyphen version for this one. So here we have Ansible core 2.14.3 and you can see that there is a config file path and configured module search path and lots of the things over there. So let's see what is our next step. So it's a configuration of inventory file. So as we see that there is a host file inside /etc ansible and we need to open this using vim and then we can add our server details to install anything on that server. Like if you have that machine with PAM access, so you can use this syntax. And if you have username password combination to make the SSH connection, so you need to use this syntax. So let's first open the host file and go to the end of the file, go to the insert mode, and then just copy and paste here. And you need to update your credentials here. So here I'm going to put the server IP. So in my case, I'm using same machine as a client of Ansible. So I'm going to use localhost and localhost username. I need to type here and then we need to put here password. I have entered my password. I'm not going to show my password in this video. and let's see what next. Okay, so we need to disable host key checking false. So for this, we need to open ansible.cfg file, which is under /etc ansible, and we need to paste this under the default section. So let's open and see what kind of configuration we have over there. So there is no default. Seems like we need to add the default. So go ahead and just copy this and paste it here. And after that, we need to copy this parameter and paste here. And then Control X, Y and press enter button to save it. And then we are good to test Ansible module like ping. Ansible is able to make connection with our machine or not. So this command check with all the machines. So in my case, I have already one machine, and we are going to use ping command to see Ansible is able to make connection or not. So just copy this command and go to your terminal, and then you need to just execute it. If everything configured fine, so you will get message like this. Okay, let's try with another command, which is Ansible ad hoc command. So we can use df-h with username root, but let's try this. I believe root is not open for Ansible, but we are able to see the df-h command status using root user. So you can see that what kind of text size availability I have. So okay, I think you will like this video. If you have any questions, so you can leave a comment below, and I will leave the this article link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.